Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the high limit thermostat on your Samsung range. If your oven isn't heating, it might be time to check out or swap out this part. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more appliance repair tips. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to gather the tools we'll need for today's repair: a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. A couple of pieces of wood will also come in handy. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always unplug your range or turn the breaker off before working on it. Ready? Let's get to it. If the oven isn't heating in bake or broil, then the high limit thermostat may have opened and taken out the L1 side of the voltage. There won't be any heat in bake or broil mode. This happens sometimes after a clean cycle, so don't clean your oven using the clean cycle the day before Thanksgiving. Your mother-in-law will understand, or maybe not. To access the main control board, we need to pull the range out and remove the Phillips head screws that hold the back panel on. You should see the main control. We need to find the CN101 connector and remove it. Then use the multimeter set to continuity mode to check from L1 at the main terminal block to the black wire connector that you removed earlier. If you get continuity, then the fuse is good. If not, the thermostat is open and will need to be replaced. The thermostat is in the front of the range, behind the control panel. Open the oven door and remove the 4 Phillips head screws under the control panel. The control will lay flat since it's held in position by several connectors. There are 2 screws that need to be removed. Once we've done that, we can lift the front of the top up and place the 2 2x4s in such a way that they hold the top up and gives us some room to remove the high limit thermostat. There is a single screw that holds it, so you'll need to remove the screw and the wires. Here's the old high limit thermostat, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We need to put the new thermostat in place and secure it with a single screw. Then replace the wires. Carefully remove the wood and install the 2 screws that hold the top on. Next, we need to reposition the console and install the 4 screws. Now we can reinstall the rear panel. Make sure to turn the power back on and plug the range back in. They tend to work better when you do. You made it. Great job. We hope you were able to test or replace the high limit thermostat on your Samsung range. How did we do and how did it go? Let us know in the comments. If you still need a thermostat, get your model number ready and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to find the exact replacement you need. And if you have any questions or want to confirm a part before placing an order, just give us a call. Thanks for choosing us, and we'll see you next time.